This is a simple bird feeder that I just made. I took a plastic bowl that was 50 cents at Walmart and a plastic plate that was 50 cents at Walmart and a branch from my yard, a roofing screw, which you pre-drill the hole for, and an eye bolt for the top. Don't forget to pre-drill the holes. But it is cute and very affordable if you want to do a DIY with your kids. You can make the branch in the middle anything that you want. It doesn't have to be a stick from your yard. It can be shorter than what I have it. It's all up to you.